Okay. With what we just did, you would have noticed that this lighting point couldn't come up. The bulb couldn't come up, and we just confirm the generator does not produce voltage. So what do we do next? Hey guys, welcome to our Benco Institute of Technical Studies. I trust you have enjoyed other videos we've posted so far. Alright, on this class we'll be looking at a TG950 generator model, a Chinese model. In this part of the world is popularly called a better pass my neighbor. Okay, our client told us the generator was in use a certain night and just stopped producing voltage. Okay, though instinctively we do know what could be wrong with it, because it usually happens to small portable generators like this. So without further ado, I'm going to put on the generator and use this lighting point of mine to confirm the authenticity of my client's claim, to see if the generator is producing power or not. Let's go. Okay. With what we just did, you would have noticed that this lighting point couldn't come up. The bulb couldn't come up, and we just confirm the generator does not produce voltage. So what do we do next? Of course, for a generator like this, we would have several claims to the generator not producing voltage. One of them could be from the socket, another could be from the alternator, and one more thing could be from the capacitor. However, the socket and the alternator having issues as regards light are quite rare. You hardly see a portable generator that doesn't produce voltage, and although it happens, but it's quite rare. So what I'm going to do, we head straight to check the capacitor and confirm if the capacitor is still very fine. Why am I doing this? I'm doing this for amateurs or generator owners who are not really technicians. If you find a generator, what do? Let's check out the capacitor. You take off all 4 bolts from the tank. Okay, you may be wondering what tools am I using to lose the generator tank. You can check that via a link at the top of the screen. We did a video some time ago as regards the basic tools used for fixing your generators. Alright, this is the generator. For those, I made mention of capacitor just now, and this is the capacitor. Okay, I made mention of alternator as well. This is the alternator. It's quite enclosed, you can't really see inside now, but the alternator consists of the rotor and the stator. The rotor, also known as the armature winding, and the stator known as the field winding. Okay. For someone who owns a portable generator like this, I do not expect you to have most testing tools such as the multimeter. I do not expect you to have that. But if you have a generator like this, the first point of contact should be the capacitor when it doesn't produce voltage. Alright, we have a capacitor here with us, a fairly used capacitor actually. It was taken from another generator we are setting producing voltage. So we're going to try the capacitor on this and see the outcome. So this is it. All right. Okay, what am I doing now? I'm trying to, because if you notice carefully, this wire didn't quite clip. This wire didn't quite clip the capacitor, so I'm trying to fix it appropriately so they connect. Yeah. All right. So this is it. If you notice carefully, we've been able to fix both wires at two alternate ends of the capacitor. Two alternate ends. You can fix here and here, or you can decide to fix your wire here or here, whichever way it works. And do not forget, the capacitor does not allow for polarity. Any wire you fix at any end will definitely work. So we'll kickstart the generator and confirm if the capacitor is actually at the fault of the generator. If the generator produces voltage, we'll know the capacitor is truly the fault. Okay. Let me kickstart first. You put back the fuel tank. Because you wouldn't want the generator to work without fuel. Okay. All right, that is it. If you noticed, the generator did produce voltage after changing this dead capacitor. So what that means is this: if you have a generator like this of this capacity and for some reason your generator refuses to produce voltage, the first point of contact should be your capacitor. Check the capacitor out, do change it, and 95% of the time your generator comes back to normal. All right. Alright guys, we've successfully troubleshooted and fixed this particular generator, a TG950 generator with no power output. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Do well to like this video, and do not forget to share with friends and family as well. Do well to also comment via the comment section below so we can interact. Via the comment section, you can drop topics you want us to touch on and every other thing. It's bye from our end. till we meet in our next class.